हाय स्टूडेंट्स, चलिए देखते हैं वॉल्डन में कौन कौन से वीवीआई एमसीक्यूज हैं. What was the title of Thoreau's first book published? Okay, and the title is A Week on the Merrimack and Concord Rivers. Question number 3. Between the creatures does Thoreau witness a battle? तो किनके बीच में लड़ाई देखता है? ऑप्शन ए, ants. Question number 4. In what season does Thoreau conclude his stay at Walden Pond? Option D, spring. What, as Thoreau describes it at the end of the work, is the sun? Option B, a morning star. In Walden, Thoreau emphasizes the importance of, option C, self-reliance. Question number 7. In what town did Thoreau spend most of his life? Option B, Concord. What was Thoreau's purpose in living at Walden Pond? Option D, to live deliberately and confront the essentials of life. Question number 9. Which of the following does Thoreau value most highly? Option D, truth. Question number 10. What did Thoreau believe about the relationship between simplicity and happiness? Option A, simplicity leads to happiness. Question number 11. What is the chapter sounds does Thoreau describe as having the roar of a fierce beast? Option C, a train. Question number 12. What is the name of the chapter in which Thoreau describes his experiment of living at Walden Pond? Option D, economy. Question number 13. What college did Thoreau attend? Option B, Harvard. What is the significance of the cabin Thoreau built near Walden Pond? Option B, it symbolized his rejection of modern society. Question number 15. When did Thoreau move into his house at Walden? Option B, 1945. Question number 16. What does Thoreau suggest about the pace of modern life in Walden? Option D, modern life is chaotic and overwhelming. Question number 17. Which poet made frequent visits to Thoreau's cabin at Walden? Option A, William Ellery Canning. What is the role of nature in Thoreau's philosophy as depicted in Walden? Option B, nature is a source of spiritual and moral lessons. Question number 19. For what was Thoreau put into jail by the town constable? Option B, tax evasion. Question number 20. According to Thoreau's Walden, how should people relate to their possessions? Option B, they should only own what is absolutely necessary. Question number 21. What war was the United States involved in during Thoreau's stay at Walden Pond? Option C, the Mexican War. Question number 22. What cause did Thoreau take up most earnestly in 1850s? Option A, abolitionism, जिसको उन्मूलनवाद कहते हैं. Question number 23. What does Thoreau mean by the phrase simplify, simplify in Walden? Option C, simplifying one's life leads to clarity and fulfillment. Question number 24. What color is the ice of Walden Pond? Option A, bluish. Question number 25. Which crop did Thoreau raise in the greatest quantity? Option A, beans. Question number 26. What was Thoreau's view on civil disobedience as discussed in Walden? Option C, he advocated for peacefully resisting unjust laws. Question number 27. Which of the following was closest to Thoreau's house at Walden Pond? Option C, a railroad. Question number 28. Thoreau's Walden can be seen as a critique of? Option B, industrialization. What, according to Thoreau, do the mass of men lead? Option C, lives of quiet deseparation. Question number 30. What does Thoreau mean by the term transcendentalism in Walden? Option C, the idea that individuals can connect with the divine through nature. Question number 31. Why do a large group of men arrive at Walden Pond in the winter of 1846 and 1847? Option B, to clear the pond of ice for commercial sale. Question number 32. What was the approximate maximum number of visitors that Thoreau received in his house at a single time? Option D, 30. 33. Which of the following is not the name of a pond Thoreau describes? Option B, Golden Pond. Question number 34. Which philosopher pays a lengthy visit to Thoreau's cabin at Walden? Option A, Amos Bronson Alcott. Question number 35. Approximately how deep is Walden Pond at its deepest point? Option C, 100 feet. So dear students, these are 35 important questions for you. So thanks a lot for watching the video. Keep watching, keep sharing. Soon I am going to upload the video of Ruskin Bond and also Shakespeare. Till then, bye-bye.